Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This matters because Discovery uses local network packets. Once done, open your Realme TV settings and enable its screen mirroring mode, Miracast for Android, Chromecast for supported apps. Meanwhile, pull down your phone's quick settings and turn on cast or screen mirroring. Allow location if requested so device discovery works. Make sure sleep or battery-saving modes are off. They can block wireless casting. Now you're ready to search for the TV. On your phone, open Cast, Smart View, or Screencast and let it scan. The TV should appear as the model name. Tap the Realme TV entry. The TV may display a PIN or confirmation prompt, so accept on the TV with your remote. This step secures the link. Choose whether to mirror the entire screen or cast a single app. Mirroring sends system audio and notifications, while app casting only streams app content and saves battery. Wait for the connection animation to finish before using the screen. Once connected, check alignment and audio. Open display settings on the TV to adjust resolution or screen scale so content fits. This fixes cropping. If the cast drops or never appears, restart the router, Realme TV, and your phone in that order. Reboots clear network and service locks. Make sure firmware and OS updates are installed on both devices, and if instability continues, connect the TV via Ethernet for a stable link. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Wi-Fi off/on on the phone to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.